Here we have the BMW 320i M Sport on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, you've got those lovely big 19-inch M Sport alloys, 4 doors and tinted windows around the rear. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got those twin exhaust pipes, as well as reversing sensors, and loads of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to make our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get this full leather interior in red, which is in great condition as well. There's plenty to run through on this dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the fuel gauge, followed by the speedometer, then the rev counter, and on the far right hand side the oil temperature gauge. You'll see the trip computer in the middle displays the total miles on this car, which are only 1,147, so very low mileage. You can change the information that's displayed just above that by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk should you wish to. As we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So once you pair a phone, hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list and it will do that for you. The phone itself is initially paired over on this screen here. So this is BMW's business nav. Everything that you see, so the movement that I'm doing there with regards to the available options is all done using the iDrive system, which is operated with your left hand just down here. So turning that dial will take you through the various options. You can then select, move to the right, left, up or down should you wish to, depending on the menu, or you can access these main menus just here. So at the moment we're on the main menu. If you wanted to, for example, listen to the radio, you'd go to radio, hit that button, and it'll bring up the various radio stations that are available to you, FM, AM and DAB radio, and then any save stations you've got. If we hit menu, we'll go back one step. Multimedia, so you've got 3 different types of radio. When it comes to multimedia, you can listen to music via the CD player, the auxiliary plug-in, the USB plug-in, or you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth once you pair up the phone, which is done in that section just there. And then you've got satellite navigation, of course. So it'll bring up this menu where you can input destination or go to recent destinations, or you can just view the map, as you can see just there. Working our way down, we've got the CD player, followed by the dual zone climate control. So you adjust the temperature independently on the left and right hand sides of the car, then hit AC to turn the air conditioning on. You can then adjust your fan speeds just here, or hit auto, and the car will maintain those temperatures for you by taking control of the fan speed itself. You can override that should you wish to. This car's also got heated driver and passenger seats just there. Onto the gears, so we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox with the M Sport badging on it. To the right hand side of that we've got a few different vehicle setups. So we can turn off the traction control firstly, or we can change the car from the comfort mode that it's currently in to a sport mode. And when you do so, it will tell you on there that you've changed it dynamic driving, sport mode, or back to comfort, or all the way down to Eco Pro. Basically it's changing the way the steering wheel behaves, so it'll be firmer or lighter depending on the mode, and it increases the sensitivity of the accelerator pedal as well, basically. Working our way down, we've then got the iDrive system, which we've already been through, and in the central armrest we've got the auxiliary and USB inputs for listening to music. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.